Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video on a snowflake using the clone tool, and I thought, well, what if you wanted 7 segments of the snowflake? Well, 7 doesn't divide into 360 equally, but if you run it out far enough, and I just did this on my phone calculator, and let's see how close it is, and whether this even works. I'm going to clone this guy, go to Edit Clone. I'm going to double click on it and move the rotation there. I'm going to rotate it 51.4285714. Then I can Control D and just bring it around. Well, you know what? I should have brought it around one more time. Now I can't figure out the number without a calculator, but even though this number's probably been rounded off, I can get the plus sign. So I'm going to have it rotate to 51.4285714. Look how, if it's not dead on, I don't know what is, because these are hairlines. So it actually does it. Now we're going to see if we have the same problem in the earlier video with the welding of this. And let's just check something here. For some reason, I have to break this apart and then weld it with the clone. So that's even better than what I did earlier with the snowflake. But this is pretty cool. Now it's not a clone anymore, but this is where the clone tool would have helped you. Let me back up. Okay, this is our control clone. And now you see how close they are to one another. Let's zoom in a little bit. And now let's see if we can still change it and make it even different. No, I'm changing the copy. There's our control curve. Let's bring that node to there. Look at that. You could really manipulate this thing and get it looking totally different, because you can see each movement of each stroke. And I'm not making the snowflake look any better, but see what I'm talking about? You can really change things up, and you could even add a node and bring it in. Before you weld it, you could completely change it up. Now we need to see if this again. Go to range. We have to break the 7 objects apart. Evidently the clone kind of does that. Let's put a circle in it this time and weld it. There's your pretty cool snowflake, and all done with the clone tool. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.